What you need to realize is that being happy is a very personal thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of growing, progressing to becoming successful, whatever that looks like to you, is knowing that you hold the key to your happiness. Happiness is a very personal thing. You hold the keys. You can always push the button whenever you want to. You are in charge and in control of your happiness. You don't have to rely on people to make you happy. And that's the biggest mistakes that we all do. For example, most of us find ourselves in a situation where we're not particularly happy, or we're going through the worst breakdowns, or when things aren't going right, and we look to the next person, we look to people closest to us to make us happy. For example, in a relationship, you might be going through a period where maybe things aren't going well at work, or maybe you're just not your best, or you're not feeling yourself, and then you try and look to your partner to make you happy. You start thinking of all the things that he's not doing, all the things that he could be doing to make you happy, or you start thinking about how your friends don't reach out to you. You start overanalyzing and thinking you deserve happiness from other people. But the truth is, you'll never really be truly happy if you're not happy within yourself, if you're not happy with yourself. As cliche as it sounds, happiness comes from within. No one can pick you up if your mental state is not at its best. No one's gonna pick you up if you're letting insecurities get the best of you. If you're not happy with the way you look, you're not happy with your appearance, maybe you've gained a few pounds or whatever it may be, you can't always look to your partner to tell you how beautiful you are, how great you are, when deep down you know that you've gained weight. The only way you can deal with this is by maybe going to the gym, or simply just accepting that this is your new body, learning to love that. And once you do that, no one can take that away from you. They can only add to your happiness. If someone gives you a compliment, if they give you a compliment, they can only add to what you've already got. They can't take it away. They can't give to you and take it away. That's why I say it's important to be happy with yourself, to be happy from the inside and out, to be happy and radiate happiness, and realize that, wait a minute, if somebody upsets me on the way to work, if someone does me wrong, you have the option to realize, do you know what, I'm not going to let them take away the rest of my day. I have a reason to be happy. I've got several reasons to be happy. I'm not just going to let this one person throw me off for the whole day. I'm not going to go through the day being upset at what someone who doesn't even matter, a stranger, has done to me. So it's realizing that you're in control of your happiness. You're not letting people take advantage of you. You're not letting people see you steal that joy from you. You're in control. And we see this time and time again. Some people use, the fact that they don't have enough money, the fact that they don't have friends, the fact that they're not well educated, whatever it may be. Tons and tons of people that are wealthy, people that seem to have it all, but they're the most unhappiest people alive. Why? Because they don't have control of well-being. They don't have control of their happiness. You quickly realize that materialistic things can't fill the void. You may be as wealthy as whatever, but you can't fill that void with materialistic things. You have to work within. If you have issues within, if you have insecurities, no amount of cars or a big house or a flashy yacht will make those insecurities go away. Yes, it can cover them, but when you're alone at night, you realize all your insecurities will come back. So it's important to be able to work within. People that have nothing are able to get up and dance every morning. They're able to find the light within their situation. The key to happiness is finding light in a bad situation and realize, do you know what, I choose to be happy. I know that it's not as easy as saying I'm going to be happy today, but the minute you wake up and you decide how your day is going to go, you decide how you're going to maneuver through the day, and that you're not going to let anyone get in the way of your happiness, you see the difference that it makes. So it's important to wake up every single day and decide, I'm going to be happy today. I'm going to have a good day, and start the day the way you mean to go on, and you see the difference. Don't let people steal your joy. Don't let people get in the way of what you're trying to accomplish. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is realizing that people can't steal what you've already built within yourself. They can't steal your courage. They can't steal your joy. They can't steal your happiness. You're in control. If you don't like people around you, if you've got friends that like to steal your joy, friends that like to point out your insecurities, realize maybe it's time to find new friends. Maybe it's time to reconstruct your network. Maybe it's time to, move jobs. Maybe it's time to employ different people. In whatever situation you are, you can always choose happiness. Choose yourself, choose to be happy, and choose to press that happy button whenever you get the chance. Figure out what you want out of life. The more you realize that you're working towards getting the life that you think you deserve, the life that you want, the successful life you're trying to build, the more you realize that you'll be less frustrated about what you're currently going through. You've got a bigger goal in mind. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what brings you joy. Let me know what keeps you happy, and I'll see you on my next one.